Today we will learn to find the area of a triangle with the help of its coordinates. We have already earlier learned to find area of the triangle as area equal to half base into height. Then we found also area with the help of Heron's formula. If you can recollect this, area equal to under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Today we will learn to find area with the help of the coordinates. So here I have 3 points which I mark. There is point A, there is point B, and there is point C. And this is the triangle formed with 3 points A and B. Now A will have its x coordinate, we will call x1. Y will have its coordinate, we will call that x2, and C will have its coordinate and we will call x3. It has an x coordinate and a y coordinate too. So this is y1, this is y2, and this is y3. So I have written the points again: A with x1, y1, B with x2, y2, and C with x3, y3. And we need to learn this formula. The area of the triangle will be equal to half. You open the bracket, then you have x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, then it is y3 minus y1 plus x3, and here it is y1 minus y2, and we put a modulo sign. We'll explain to you what is the meaning of this modulo sign, which means within the bracket, even if you get the negative answer, you got to take the positive. I'll go through that again. So just how to remember this formula. So if you see here, you start with, of course, the half, and then you write this x1, and then you subtract y2 and y3. So you subtract y2 minus y3. Then you take up x2, and now you're going to subtract y3 and y1, the ones below, y3 minus y1. Then you take up x3, and now you subtract y1 and y2. So y1 minus y2. And you put your modulo sign. Now in the next, these 3 vertices are given to us, 3 points. This is A, this is B, and this is C. We need to find the area of the triangle. So I've written A. For A, this is my x1, this is x2, and this is x3. And then here I have y1, y2, and y3. And the formula goes, so here is the formula: half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus you have x3 y1 minus y2. So let us put our values. So we have area equal to half. We know our x1 is 2. Then we have 0 plus 4, that is y2 minus y3. Then this is minus 1. y3 minus y1 will be minus 4 minus 3. Then we have x3, which is 2. It is just substitution, and 3 minus 0. Now we continue. It will be half 2. 0 plus 4 is 4, minus 1, this becomes minus 7, plus 2. You just have to calculate the values. That is half 2 into 4 is 8. This becomes plus 7 plus 6. and here we get half into 21. So the answer is 21 over 2 square units. Now the first sum, A is minus 5 minus 1. Your B is 3 minus 5. C is 5, 2. This is A, B, and C. And for the values, we know this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. And let's get on with the sum. So the formula area is half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Just put the values. So I put another color here, will be half, and our x1 is minus 5, y2 minus will be minus 5 minus 2 plus x2. We know x2 is here, x2 is 3, then we add this 2 plus 1, then we take x5, x, that is 5, and here is minus 1 minus 5. Just put the values. Minus 5, this becomes minus 7, plus 3, this becomes 3 here, plus 5, and this is minus 6. So you have half into plus 35, we multiply this, plus 3 into 3, 9, and here you'll get the positive here, of course. Plus 5 minus 6 is minus. So here there was a mistake. It should have been plus 5, plus 4, and there's 20. So this is half into 64, which is 32 square units. So all you need to do is just put the values. I will just write it up again. Wherever there is x1, you will put minus 5. Where there is x2, you will put 3. Where there is x3, you will put 5. Then for y1, you will put minus 1. y2, you put minus 5. And y3, you will put 2. Just put the values. All you need to do is remember the formula.